Hi, this is Jessica Simpson with Lola Loops and Stitches. In this video I'm going to show you how to double crochet decrease. Double crochet decrease is abbreviated as dc2tog, which means double crochet two together. The idea here is to work each stitch within the last step to complete it, leaving the last loop or loops on the hook. You then yarn over and draw through all the loops on the hook to combine two or more stitches into one. Let me show you again step by step. So I have double crochet stitch regular ones here, the typical ones, and I'm going to complete decrease double crochet stitches in this two stitches right next to this typical one. Okay, so all I'm gonna do, I'm going to start like you typically do to start a double crochet. I'm going to yarn over and insert my hook to the next stitch, yarn over again, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and draw the yarn through the first 2 loops, but this time you're going to leave these 2 loops on the hook because you're going to yarn over. You're going to work in the next stitch right next to this work here. Yarn over, pull up, yarn over and insert your hook in the next stitch, yarn over again, pull up a loop, and now you have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over and draw the yarn through the first 2 loops like you regularly do for a double crochet, and then now you're going to yarn over and draw the yarn through all 3 loops here, and this is what it is, decrease double crochet stitches. Okay, so now let's do once again, let's do the next one here. We are going to work in these 2 stitches right next to this decrease one, and we are going to yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over again, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, draw the yarn through the first 2 loops like you typically do to complete a double crochet stitch. You're going to yarn over, but this time you're going to insert your hook in the next stitch, yarn over again, pull up a loop. Now you have 4 loops on your hook. Okay. You're going to yarn over, draw the yarn through the first 2 loops. Now you have 3, and this is when you do the decrease. Yarn over and pull the yarn through the last 3 loops. So you have 2 decrease, and this is how it's done. It's very easy, guys, very easy. Okay, certain projects require this type of stitches, so that's why it's important to know them. Okay, and that's it, guys. This is how it's done. This is how you decrease double crochet stitches. Thank you for visiting me, and I hope you learned something new. You can make comments below. Bye-bye. Hey, don't forget to check out my videos where I show you step by step those skills needed in order for you to start this crochet journey. And don't forget to subscribe.